I'd say our professionalism within the industry.
Our customer-first approach and our ability to know that everybody's business is predicated on our productivity and we produce results.
Every one of our customers is important to us.
We listen to what our customers want, and they know that they can count on us to deliver.
We have a real diverse group of customers. We service really three main industries. The first is automotive, the second is oil and gas, and the third is industrial. Sometimes we're servicing a small 2 to 3 person company in the middle of Georgia that does bed liners, and the next week we may be servicing a Fortune 500 company doing a humongous secondary containment out in West Texas. What that gives us the opportunity to do is really see new opportunities out there to utilize these coatings. We're always talking with other people from other industries, trying to figure out where we can really use these coating types the most. Armadillo Liners is really the trademark of our automotive industry. It's been synonymous with bed liners since the late 90s. Our oil and gas division really focuses on primary and secondary containment within the onshore and offshore oil and gas market. Our industrial sector is by far our most diverse, where we focus on commercial projects that are residential, to septic tanks and wastewater treatment facilities, to manhole restorations and pipe linings on the other side of the world.
One of the things that makes us unique, we customize our marketing tools to help our customers. A perfect example is we just ordered 1,500 flyers for different customers across the U.S. with their specific information on it so they can hand out to their customers. One of the things we wanted to do was make it easier for our customers to find information faster, access information and tech data sheets. That's why we needed a new website to help our customers find information faster. We may not have the biggest marketing budget like some other big name companies, but we like to use some marketing tools to help our customers target their customers.
We were the pioneers in the Houston, Harris County area. We have a team today that is second to none. We're invested in people, technology, and the best chemical. We're small enough to understand the startup guys, and we're big enough to compete with the big guys as far as pricing is concerned.
The problem is having the chemical in stock and getting it in a timely fashion. A couple years ago, we only had the opportunity to ship from 2 distribution points. Today, we can ship from 4. The last few years, we have grown as a company, and one of the reasons is because of our buying power. We've gone from buying hundreds of thousands of pounds to millions. We're focused on building a relationship with 1 or 2 companies, and that has allowed us to increase our buying power and drive our pricing down. You know what that really does is save our customer money.
Whether it's automotive, oil and gas, or industrial, we've got chemical and equipment types that meet every budget out there and meet every type of customer's needs.